The Gupta Empire, Samudragupta. Samudragupta, also known as Samudragupta, was one of the most illustrious rulers of the Gupta Empire during the 4th and 5th centuries CE. Here are some key details about Samudragupta. Ascension to the throne. Samudragupta succeeded his father, Chandragupta I, and became the third ruler of the Gupta Empire. He ascended the throne around 335 CE and reigned for several decades. Military conquests. Samudragupta was known as the Napoleon of India due to his military prowess and extensive conquests. He embarked on numerous military campaigns to expand the Gupta Empire's territory. His military expeditions covered vast regions, including present-day North India, Central India, and parts of South India. Allahabad Pillar Inscription. The Allahabad Pillar Inscription, composed by Harishena, a courtpiece, provides valuable insights into Samudragupta's conquests and achievements. The inscription describes his victories over various kingdoms, including the Shakas, the Yodhiyas, the Malwas, and many others. Religious policies. Samudragupta was a patron of Hinduism, but he also embraced religious tolerance. He respected and supported Buddhism and other faiths within his empire. He adopted the policy of dharma and ensured the protection of religious diversity. Court and patronage. Samudragupta had a magnificent court that attracted scholars, poets, artists, and intellectuals from various parts of India and abroad. He patronized these talented individuals, leading to a vibrant cultural and intellectual atmosphere during his reign. Kavya. Samudragupta was known for his love of poetry and literature. He himself was a poet and composed Sanskrit verses. His court witnessed the flourishing of the Kavya style of poetry, characterized by its ornate and lyrical language. Expansion of influence. Samudragupta's conquests and diplomatic alliances significantly expanded the Gupta Empire's influence. His control and influence extended across a vast part of India, with a vast network of vassal states and tributary kingdoms. Patronage of art and architecture. Samudragupta's patronage extended to art and architecture as well. The Gupta style of art flourished under his rule, characterized by its naturalistic and graceful depiction of figures. Temples, caves, and sculptures from this period showcase the artistic achievements of the era. Succession. Samudragupta was succeeded by his son, Chandragupta II, who continued the Gupta Empire's golden age and further expanded its territories. Samudragupta's reign marked a glorious era for the Gupta Empire. His military conquests, administrative skills, and patronage of art and culture contributed to the empire's prosperity and prominence. His reign symbolized the political and cultural zenith of the Gupta Empire.